And next topic we are going to see today, economic system. Economic system completely differ from the term economy. Economy means what? A system by which people earn their living. Economic system means here there is a interconnection relationship between individuals and institution. We can call it as it is a economic system. What is the thing? Simple term, connections between individuals and institution. See here, economic system, it is very important question, part B 2 marks. So many times they will ask economic system. Economic system, it refers to the manner in which individuals and institutions are connected together to carry out economic activities in a particular area. Here each and every economic welfare activities undertaken by government, education, schools, colleges, universities, they are constructed. The government, they just allotted amount, and each and every people, they just collected the funds and they just started construction works. So many persons they are working after construction, and each and every persons start from the top most person till the lower level persons, they are just appointed in any one of the education institution, and the students, they enroll their name. Each and every activity is going on. Clear? So economic system means it is same as procedure takes place in not only in education, health activities, sanitation, drinking water, housing facilities, laying of roads, construction of dams, construction of parks, etc. Clear? It refers to the manner, which one? Economic system. It refers to the manner in which individuals and institutions, 2I. Clear? Individuals and institutions are connected together. For what purpose they are connected together? In order to carry out economic activities. What are the economic activities? That is the thing, so many things, education, health, in a particular area. Clear? Three major economic system. Suppose they will ask in 3 mark question or your 1 mark question, what are the 3 major economic system they will ask now. You have to write only these 3 things. What are the 3 major economic system? Capitalist economy, socialist economy, mixed economy. Capitalist economy also known as capitalism. Socialist economy also known as socialism. Mixed economy also known as mixedism. This one is very important 1 mark question. This one is also 1 mark question. This is also very important 1 mark question. Which one? Who is known as father of capitalism? Adam Smith. Adam Smith is the father of economics, and he is also the father of capitalism. What are the points comes under? Suppose 2 more question, what is meant by capitalism? What is capitalist economy? They are asking now. We have to write these points enough, or you can write any other thing. Here Adam Smith, he is considered the father of capitalism, and the main important policy followed under capitalist economy is laissez-faire policy. We will see in detail what is meant by laissez-faire. It is a separate question. So policy followed under capitalist economy or capitalism is laissez-faire, and in capitalist economy private role is more, and they are operated only for profit motive. Clear? Capitalist economy also known as capitalism. Father of capitalism, Adam Smith. And capitalist economy, what is the policy followed? Laissez-faire. 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 And the main important role in capitalism is private person. Private, they each and every time they just concentrate only on profit motive. Socialist economy. Socialist economy, who is the father of socialism? Scientific socialism. Father of scientific socialism or father of socialism, Karl Marx. Karlmarks. Socialist economy is also known as command or planned economy. Government each and every time, military, likewise of military command, we have to move like this way, and we have to pay the tax in time. Each and every instruction they are used to give for the general public, no. So we can call this socialist economy, where the government role is always more, and the government role is more means always they are running only for welfare motive. Clear? So only we can call it as socialist economy is a command or planned economy. Each and every activities they just plan in predetermined manner. How much amount of money we have to allot, how much persons we have to employ for this completion of work, how much duration it will take. Each and everything they just plan in a well planned manner. So we can call it as this socialist economy is a planned economy or command economy. Mixed economy means it is nothing but very important question. What is mixed economy? It is a very repeated question. Mixed economy means simply think before you write the 2 lines or 3 lines, you just write a formula. Mixed economy is obtained by the formula public sector plus private sector, or mixed economy is obtained by the formula capitalist economy plus socialist economy. Clear?